Hey guys, so we created our Halloween card. We can also add another screen to make it a little bit more fun. So first I'm going to go to paint a backdrop. So in this paint I'm going to choose and I'm going to make this a little dark. Keep this right there. Make this dark. Make this a dark green color like this. Now in this backdrop we are going to pick a costume on Halloween. We're going to pick a costume on which we are going on Halloween. So first we're going to have to hide all these sprites. So I'm going to take this when backdrop switches to Halloween wallpaper, and I'm going to change this Halloween wallpaper to backdrop 1. Backdrop 1 is the new backdrop, the green colored backdrop. I'm going to take looks and I'm going to hide. I'm going to put this on all of them so I don't have to code it again and again. So here, good. It's gone here as well. It's a little difficult to put it there, so I'll just when backdrop switches to backdrop 1 and hide. Hide backdrop. Now you just have to do this to the skeleton sprite. When backdrop switches to backdrop 1, hide. Now also when we go back to stage, we're also going to have to do one more thing. We're going to switch this backdrop to Halloween wallpaper so that it shows Halloween wallpaper like this. Now in this backdrop, we're going to drag a button. So first I'm going to go to the sprite and search button. I'm going to take this button. Now I'm going to go to costumes here. I'm going to switch this and now I'm going to change the color. Now we're going to write a text here. So select this text and right now in the costume section. Now I'm going to type here. Oh, it's in marker, so I'm going to have to change the marker. Pick your costume. It looks like it's gone away. Pick your costume. I'm just going to delete it. You're going to have to take pick your and enter costume. Pick your costume. Just put that right here so that it fits. So pick your costume. Now I'm going to go to events and when green flag clicked, go to looks and take a show block. Which we are going to hide it when I change this to the next background. Now I'm going to take a when the sprite clicks. So when the button clicks, we're going to change the background. So I'm going to go to look backdrop to backdrop 1, which is the next backdrop. And I think I'll rename the backdrop so that it's costume backdrop. Backdrop. Pick your costume backdrop. Now we've changed the name of the backdrop. So I'm going to go to pick your costume backdrop. So it's changed the name. So backdrop to pick your costume backdrop, which is this backdrop. So done it. So let's see. I select this, like this. Now we're going to go back to the skeleton sprite. When backdrop switch to backdrop costume hide. Well, costume hide. It hides all of us, but let me see why it's not hiding. So just to hide. So there's be some kind of problem. So to hide this, hide that, and hide this. So it'll hide. So everything is hidden now. So we're going to also have to hide this particular costume. So we're also going to take another when backdrop switches. To pick your costume backdrop, take a hide. Hide. Things working. Now we are going to go to this backdrop. So first we're going to go to stage, go to backdrops. Now in red I'm going to write what do you want to be on Halloween? What do you want to be on Halloween? What do you want to be on Halloween? So I'm going to make this bigger. What do you want to be on Halloween? Drag this here. Now, uh, now I'm going to go to code and I'm going to choose a sprite. I'm going to set a button, so I'm going to hit this same kind of button again. What do you want to be on Halloween? So first, we're going to do the same thing. Instead, we're going to write here, click me. Click me. Now we're going to take 4 buttons like this. Let us duplicate these buttons. So duplicate, right click and duplicate. And another one. So 4 click me buttons. I'm going to put them here. 4 click me buttons and we're going to put them here. Now we're going to choose some more sprites. We're going to choose a witch sprite. The witch sprite. So when this button is clicked, it's going to show a witch sprite. So you're going to be dressed as a witch on Halloween. First, I'm going to decrease the size to 50. Let's see how it looks like. No, that's too small. So make it 75. That's better. So 75 is good. I'm going to choose another ghost sprite. This ghost sprite for costumes. We're going to change this to 50. So 75 would be better. Yes, 75. We're going to choose a skeleton. Somebody is going to do this as a skeleton as well. Skeleton. Skeleton is also of a good size. Also of a very good size. Now I'm going to search this. Frank. It's an odd looking costume. Decreases the size of our new skeleton. So I'm going to 75 so it doesn't bang into that one. Now we're going to have to hide all of these. So take a green flag clicked. Hide. So when green flag is clicked, we're going to hide it. We're going to hide this now. What we're going to do is that we're going to go to the witch costume. I'm going to go to the witch costume. Select that. So skeleton 2 has ghost 5. That's a ghost 5. So when green flag clicked, take a hide block. So I'm going to go to looks and take a hide block. Hide block. So we took a hide block from here. And we're going to do the same for the huge costume. And it's simply huge, so I'm going to have to decrease the size of that as well. But there's some space between them. So when green flag clicked high, so all of these costumes will be hidden. Did I do it for the width sprite? No, I didn't. Green flag click. Hide. I did that for skeleton 2, I did this for this, I did that one. When green flag click hide is done for the button. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to also take a when green flag click and a hide block. So you're going to have to hide all of these. All of the buttons are going to be hidden or it will look odd. So I'm going to hide all of these. It's a lot of pressure to hide all of these. Hide block. Take a when green flag clicked. So that's all. Now what we're going to have to do is we are going to have to press this button, and if we press this button we are going to show these sprites. So when we click this button the width sprite is going to show up, when we click this button the ghost sprite is going to show up. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.